with the condition, economic condition of the majority of the Filipino now, ang laking tulong po if we benefit from SABA. I don't know, we can only do this diplomatically. And if we can only do this if we have a strong government for our people. Because sa panahon ngayon that we are suffering from the price hike ng langis, fuel, ang laking tulong sana ng teritoryo natin. But unfortunately, we can just only read through it, look at it, and not do anything about it. Because if you will depend on the Sultanate of Sulu, ngayon parang tradisyon na lang siya eh. Parte na lang siya ng kultura in Sulu, of the heritage of the Tausug people. Pero as to powers on getting it back, we really have to depend to our national government. We can only do this diplomatically, state to state. So in this case, the Philippine government and Malaysian government. But only if we can have a government na talagang has concern for the economic condition of the Filipino people. Dahil hindi ito maliit na bagay na usapin eh. This involves diplomatic relations between two nations. Pero I think if we are to come up, or if we wish to come up with a win-win solution for both the people of Malaysia and the people of the Philippines, it can easily be done. Usapang kaibigan, usapang maybe proprietary. I don't know how the government will do it, but I know there's a way that they can do it. We just have to start somewhere.